Notification shade. 4G phone 2 bars. Status bar. Settings, home screen. Wallpaper. Double tap to activate. Accessibility. Talk back. Talk back. Tapping OK will stop. OK button.